Welcome everyone to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a baby shower cake for a baby boy. This is just a part 1. I will show you the continuation on this on my next video for the part 2. Here are the ingredients we need: vanilla super moist cake mix, chocolate super moist cake mix from Betty Crocker, buttermilk, butter, and eggs. These are the simple ingredients we need for our cake. And now we're ready to mix all these ingredients. For the actual measurement, look under the description down below. Be sure you grease your pan before you put your cake mix. Since we're done with our chocolate cake mix, now we're ready for our white vanilla mix. So same as the procedure on mixing the chocolate cake, you just need to mix all the ingredients needed and mix them. Make sure you preheated your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After 30 minutes, your cake is done. Voila, here you go, it's done. Now we're ready to transfer this to a bigger plate so that we can trim it and make it more beautiful. And now it's time to put our frosting. Make sure you put your frosting evenly on this layer. So after you've done your frosting, place the vanilla on top of the chocolate cake. Once it's done, put your frosting on the top of the vanilla and evenly distribute the frosting on top of this layer. After you put all the frosting, this is exactly what it looks like. So stay tuned for part 2 on how I decorate this cake.